Hello, I'm Inky Willis and welcome to Art Practice. We're going to be practicing cross-hatching today using just paper and a black pen. It's easiest to practice with a fine line black pen, but if you don't have one, it's no big deal. You can still practice the techniques in felt tip or even in pencil. Also, you don't have to use good quality art paper for this. I'm just using cheap printer paper. Cross-hatching is all about creating shade using a series of lines which literally cross over each other. Cross-hatching is such a useful illustration technique. It's something I've used in my children's books and loads of my favourite illustrators use it too. So let's get practicing. First, fold your paper as shown to make 8 sections. And if you find it easier, you could draw the 8 sections instead. Practice filling your first section with short vertical lines. You can pause the video at any time and keep in mind that my drawing is sped up, so please don't worry if you're not as fast as I seem to be. You might prefer to just watch and then have a go yourself afterwards. Next, try drawing horizontal and vertical lines crossing each other. You might see these in cartoons or in illustrations of shabby clothes because they look a bit like threads crossing over each other. This time, again, fill your section with short vertical lines. Now cross through with short horizontal lines. Same again, but this time using diagonal lines. Now cross through with diagonals going in the other direction. This time, gently curve the lines as shown. This can be a little trickier, but it's so useful if you ever want to use cross-hatching to add shadow to curved objects. Then, cross-hatch through these lines diagonally. Now try drawing patches of curved cross-hatching. Okay, this time, draw vertical lines first. Then horizontal lines next. Followed by diagonal lines. So we're creating really dense cross-hatching using lines in 3 different directions. Lastly, we're doing the same again, horizontal, vertical, then diagonal lines. Now add diagonals in the other direction too. So we're now using lines in 4 different directions. Once you've completed your practice, you can try using cross-hatching in your own drawings. And just as an example, I've made a little postcard-sized cross-hatching artwork to show how cross-hatching can be used to give shade and depth to illustrations. And if you'd like to win this illustration, I'm running a giveaway over on Instagram, so you can ask your adult to find me there. I'm at Inky_Willis. Do check the date of this video, as the giveaway just lasts for 2 weeks. Also, if you use cross-hatching in your artwork, I would love to see it. So if your adult wants to post your work on Twitter or Instagram, then they can then feel free to tag me so I can have a look and say hello. Keep scribbling!